Grab a fork though.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jackson, and today we are going to be trying a funnel cake from the PNE funnel cake truck over there. Let's go. Let's try it. Never had a funnel cake. Ah. It won't come off. This is hard to break. Ooh, look at that. Fresh. Just got this. Oh, that's really hot. It's really good. Oh, I got all sugar on my shorts. Yeah, it's really good, and I really like it. The sugar really adds to it, and it's really nice. I really like it. The rating, I'm gonna give the rating 7 out of 10. I recommend it, and my name's Jackson, and I'll see you guys at a different food item.
We got a pretzel.
I get a salted pretzel please, and my dad wants
Take for it, Jackson. Take the water. Oh, give me the water.
Hey guys, we got a pretzel at the PNE. Look at that. It's delicious. We're going to be trying this. Here we go. That's really good. It's really salty. And yeah, the crunch is also really good. I'm gonna give it a rating of 9 out of 10. I really like it. My name's Jackson, and you guys have what to say.